In order to find the ancient temple in Hytale, what you need to do is you need to first spawn into your Hytale world like you normally would, then press on the M key on your keyboard in order to access the Hytale map. Alright, once you have the map right over here, then all you want to do is you want to locate this structure over here. So it's typically going to be relatively close to your spawn. So here's our spawn right over here. And this is the structure that we're looking for. So it is going to be made out of stone blocks over here. And it kind of looks like a plus spawn right over here. So all you want to do is you want to locate it. Then you want to go ahead and make your way towards that structure, because that's where we need to go in order to actually go to the ancient temple. So the ancient temple is incredibly useful because that is going to allow you to actually get memories. And then once you guys have memories, then you guys are able to go to different dimensions and stuff like that. So it really is a critical part of the game. All right, guys, and the ancient temple is going to look something like this. Now, before you go here, keep in mind that there is actually a boss inside of the temple. So you guys could obviously go ahead and fight it if you want to, if you have some materials already. But if you're just starting out, I recommend just running straight to the portal. So go ahead and just go down over here. And then you should see that there is a portal nearby, but there is a boss. So please go ahead and be careful of that. And we also have more other structures over here, so more loot that you guys can go ahead and get as well. So don't forget to look around. You could go ahead and find some loot, but anyways, all you need to do is you need to go through this portal right over here, and then it is going to take you to the Forgotten Temple. So here we are in the Forgotten Temple. All right, and over here is where you're able to go ahead and unlock the memories feature. And then from here, you're able to get memories, which you could then use in order to go to different dimension and unlock future things in the game. So guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.